traders, and welcome back to Texub. I'm Snehal, and today we have an exciting topic that is very crucial for your success in the world of trading: the art of negotiation. If you're a seasoned trader or just starting, negotiating effectively can make a significant impact on your bottom line. So grab your notepads because we've got some valuable tips and tricks just for you. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk about why negotiation is so important for traders. Negotiation allows you to secure better deals, build stronger relationships, and enhance your overall trading performance. Tip number one: always be prepared. Just like in trading, preparation while negotiating is very crucial. Know your facts, understand the market trends, and research the other party involved. The more informed you are, the more confident you'll be during negotiations. Number two, set clear objectives. Define your goals and what you want to achieve from the negotiations, whether it's a better price, favorable terms, or a strategic partnership. Having a clear vision will guide your negotiations. Negotiations is just not about getting the best deals. It's also about building and maintaining relationships. Tip number three: be collaborative and establish trust. Positive relationship with the other party can open doors to future opportunities. Tip number four: practice effective communication. Listen actively, ask questions, and express your thoughts clearly. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstandings, so ensure that you're on the same page. Communication is the key to successful negotiations. Tip number five: familiarize yourself with negotiation tactics. Understand common negotiation tactics that go on in the trading world, such as anchoring, mirroring, and concession strategies. Being aware of these tactics will help you navigate through negotiations more effectively. Number six, be prepared to walk away if the terms are not favorable. A best alternative to a negotiated agreement in mind not only gives you leverage but also prevents you from making unfavorable deals. Sometimes the best negotiation strategy is knowing when to walk away. There you have it, traders. Mastering the art of negotiation is a continuous learning process. Implement these tips in your trading journey, and you'll find yourself making better deals and building lasting relationships. If you find these tips to be helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Texub. Happy trading, everyone.